Hi everyone, my name is Rika and thank you so much for stopping by my channel again. So in today's video I am at Niagara Falls again, but I'll definitely be doing, oh my gosh, I'm so unhealthy, but bear with me. Yeah, so I'll definitely be doing quite a bit more activities. I just like really enjoying the actual falls. I feel like the last time I just really was at the hotel, I ate and whatever, so I really want to kind of take you along with me and just show you some of the fun things that you can get up to doing. Summer is almost over, so I'm trying to do as much as possible while it is still somewhat warm and sunny out. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing what I get up to today, stay along with me. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment on what you think about this video. Alright, so I am down in the middle of all of it. As you can see, there's like, well, maybe not right now, but in the previous clips and everything, there's like a lot of people around, so definitely mask on. I'm about to see if I can jump on the boat and see how many rides I can get on. I passed the wax museum just now, and to be honest, I would love to get some footage in there, but let's just see how it goes. Come along with me while we finish up this, not finish up, but like while we explore more options here. So the closer to the fall that I've been getting, the crowd seems to be a bit less, but at the same time it's still like a lot of people. But it's a vibe. Like, I've never been this side. The last time, as I mentioned earlier, I really was just like in the hotel and eating, but it's definitely a buzz. I don't know, I just came across and I saw the zipline sign and I'm just like, what? I'm afraid of heights and I'm just overall lame, so I definitely would not do the zipline. Alrighty, so I am going to try to get on the boat. Let's see how that goes. more my little curly ears so this can get wet. Let me get, excuse me. Hi, if we want to go on the boat, where would we get our tickets?
The boat?
Yeah.
It's $5 extra if you go over there because you get to ride down instead of walking down.
Okay.
But otherwise, it's just over there in that building right beside this one.
Okay. Does it have a close-off time?
I'm not sure.
Okay, but thank you.
We asked earlier and they said they were sold.
They're sold out?
You can ask just in case.
I think I saw them closing up over there. That's why I came over here. So.
That's why we go.
Oh. Did they say you have to make like a reservation or something?
Here?
Yeah, for the boat.
No.
They said they are done for the day.
Oh, they're just
Sold
done
out
for the day.
This is what he said. You can check again.
They said they're done for the day. Yeah.
Oh gosh, thank you though. That would have been the boat that I would have gone on, but like clearly didn't happen. I don't, like one of the things that are available still is zip lining, and that's for me absolutely no. I see a little. I'm just gonna see what else is open. Alright, so I'm gonna try to go on the Sky Wheel. Hopefully they aren't sold out and I'm actually able to do something. Alright, Mr. Check back in. Just checking back in, and I am currently waiting to go on the, oh, what is his name? The little Goron something. I don't even remember what his name. But yeah, I am so tired. Like I haven't been here that long, but I'm so tired. So sorry I didn't get to go on the boat. I'm so disappointed as well. Alright, so we're now in the little, oh my gosh. Like, I'm nervous and I can't do something. I read William, but I'm not like, I'm nervous. Alright, we'll calm my little self down. Alright.
So, Niagara Skywheel.
Boy.
For your safety, please remain seated and do not lean against the gondola doors.
Alright.
For your convenience, we've provided 4 illuminated control buttons in the ceiling. The red button will alert the operator to check the gondola to see if there's a problem.
We are moved! Oh my god! Wait a minute, this! No! Not close my eyes. No way, but it is like I'm so scared right now.
The wheel stands 50 feet.
I'm dead scared. You can't, like, oh my god! Alright, so I'm trying not to move too much in this ride. I am a big scaredy cat, so to be honest, like, this is not easy at all for me. So I was definitely thinking about going on the go-kart, but the line is super long and the wait is just super duper long. So we have to see you and the boat ride another time. I think I'm just gonna head over to the Wax Museum just to get some more footage, zombie attack, and yuppers. Oh, that's the go-kart. So that's the go-kart that I would have been on. It looks kind of fun though. But the line is just way too long. I can finally feel slim. So I decided I'm gonna get some Italian homemade ice cream here. Let's see how it is. Alright, so it's my first time having Italian homemade ice cream. I don't know if I'd come back. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. He's fighting me for my ice cream though. Like, what the hell? No, I'm making ice cream. No, he's not leaving. Honestly, the more that I eat it, the more I'm totally getting used to it. Like, it's so refreshing and light. I totally misjudged it. And probably if I was used to it, I wouldn't have had that initial reaction. But right now, I'm honestly really enjoying this ice cream. I probably would go back. It's very light and refreshing. Thank you so much for joining along with me, even though I still didn't do as many activities as I wanted to do. Hopefully, I'll be able to do like a part 2 to this entire thing. And I'll be able to just kind of, you know, show you people more. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.